cruise day, baby.
We are here. We have finally arrived in beautiful Barcelona,
Guys,
everyone.
we're officially on the cruise ship right now. We could not be more stoked.
On the incredible Oasis of the season. Oh my goodness, we are smiling from ear to ear. If you couldn't tell already.
It's a full-on party right now. I don't know if you hear that music going on in the background.
It is the Stowaway party. That means everyone comes up to the top deck to wave goodbye to Barcelona. So if you have to be new to our channel,
listen up right now.
We are Jared and Britt, and we absolutely love cruising. It's been a while since we have been on a cruise.
Yes.
We live in Florida, so obviously we love cruising. We've done a ton of different cruises, but this is our first Mediterranean cruise.
Yes, our first one ever, and we are so stoked about it.
We arrived here last night, flew in the day before. We are here with my darling parents. It is their first cruise ever.
Yes.
And so we cannot wait just to show them the ins and outs of the ship. So if you are considering going on a cruise, or if you're a seasoned cruiser, there's going to be a little bit of everything in our upcoming videos. You guys, we have the most amazing itinerary. We are going to Mallorca, Spain. We are going to Rome, Italy. We are going to Naples, Italy. We are going to Florence, Pisa, Italy.
Guys, it's going to be absolutely breathtaking. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be just incredible all around.
Yes, so if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. You're not going to want to miss out on these incredible videos. And if you haven't missed our videos before this, we spent a few days in Paris. They were the most magical days ever. We had the best time. Go back and check out those videos. We got in from Paris last night. We stayed at the Grand Hyatt Barcelona, a little outside the city just to say.
But here's a quick tip. If you guys are coming here on a cruise, maybe don't stay like right next to the port, because prices are astronomically high.
Yes, so we stayed about 20 minutes away. We took a taxi in this morning. It took about 20 minutes to get here. But we will be staying there when we get back, because we are definitely going to be exploring Barcelona, so stay tuned for that. So we got here at the port, we got all checked in, it's super easy, and then we actually got to our rooms, and we'll show you that right now.
Oh my gosh, it's our turn! This is always so exciting. It never gets old, you know?
Never gets old.
The first time opening the door.
Love it. Oh, baby.
We're home. It's been so long.
Oh, it feels good.
You guys, it has been almost 2 years since we have been on a cruise.
2 years.
How is that?
That is a long time.
But it feels right at home.
Oh my gosh, it really does.
We love Royal Caribbean.
This is like a second home.
Look at this room. It's awesome.
It's huge. Yeah, it's recently like renovated, so it feels great in
So
here.
for any of you that don't know, Jared and I have actually been on this ship. This is the first cruise I've ever been on, and we went on the ship on our honeymoon.
That's right.
That was 8 years ago. But things are way different. They've renovated the ship since. Like all this looks brand new.
It does.
Even like this couch is like newer than the ones, the ships we went on last time.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
It's amazing. And we got the balcony view. We just have to have it. We love it. Literally love it. It just makes everything so much more enjoyable and fun.
Okay, I'm kind of loving, look at these like sea green curtains they got going on.
I know, right?
So fun. Oh, a Mediterranean cruise. Oh, we can't even wait. It was so fun seeing my parents' reaction just to everything. It's their first time being on a cruise. Like, this is going to be such a special trip. We actually captured their reaction to seeing their room, so we'll show you guys that right now.
Smells like a street, not a boat. Amazing.
Oh my word. And that is our view.
Can you believe it?
This is home.
This is home for the next 2 weeks.
We're home.
The next week.
Who knows? It might be 2 weeks.
Yeah, I may just stay here for 2 weeks.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at the little table and chair.
Yeah, isn't that fun?
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's just amazing.
Incredible.
That's just like paradise,
I
right?
know, right? So you got your desk area here. You
Okay.
can store stuff like in these drawers and stuff.
Awesome.
And then you got your nice big bed.
Ooh, comfy.
So then, like, make
nice
a good,
couch.
like, you know, space with what you have.
So yeah, I guess Glenna can sleep on the couch.
Wow. Wow. Oh my word.
It's so pretty.
Four yachts down there.
So look that way. Hey, neighbor.
Hey, this is awesome.
You mean to tell me there's 2 people that are that ugly?
Oh my gosh. This is awesome.
Guys, this is awesome. I love it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is awesome. Literally awesome. Oh my goodness.
Boats going by right here.
Wow.
Hello, Barcelona.
Viva Barcelona!
Oh my gosh.
Warren and Glenda's room is actually just
We're
2
one
down.
over. Oh, yeah, 2 down.
2 down.
I'm sure we'll be having
I
balcony
know.
parties waving to them. Oh, you guys.
Oh my gosh. I am so stoked.
You have never been on a cruise before. We are telling you, it's an experience like none other. It's our favorite way to travel. We're gonna see so many amazing places on this trip, and just coming out and seeing this, it just gets you so excited for everything.
And even though that the balconies are just a teeny bit more, they are well worth it.
They're worth it, aren't they?
The experience is just far superior.
I mean, you have your own private space here. You can hang your wet clothes out here. There's just so many advantages. You can lay in bed and see the ocean view. That's one of our favorite things. We have the most incredible day trips planned for each of the stops we are going to.
Guys,
So,
we are so stoked for this.
if you are going on a Mediterranean cruise, you are going to want to take notes, because boy do we have things planned out. Fun adventure, but we also have some chill days sightseeing. So whether you're an adventure junkie like us or enjoy more of the sightseeing, kind of like my parents, there's going to be a little something for everyone.
Yeah.
If you've never cruised with us before, go back and check out our playlist. We've done so many cruises, as we mentioned, and they are just, it's our favorite way to travel. We absolutely love it.
We love it so much.
And speaking of that, we're going to go grab my parents, take them up to the roof, and we are going to sail away.
We're now taking a little stroll through Central Park.
You decided to bring my parents to New York. Surprise!
So this little park, you guys, is a park literally in the middle of the ship. It's on deck 8, and it is beautiful in here. They got live music playing in here. They got a little cafe.
My dad goes, Glenna, come get in here and share it shot. Oh my gosh, so funny. All right, we got my parents up on the sun deck now. We just set sail. So first impressions, what do you think so far?
I died and went to heaven.
I think I did too.
They found this startling little chair they're sitting on, and look at the view. I mean, it just doesn't get better than that.
It's like paradise.
It is paradise.
I have to tell you, I know that's not true because I saw Jared. There's no way he's going to heaven.
Oh my gosh, so my dad and Jared, they tease each other. Those of you that have been here a while know that. So this cruise, we'll see if we survive it all together. Let's just put it that way.
We might both be in
the ocean.
Yeah, we'll see who's going overboard first. Place your bets down below. This is one of our favorite parts for sure, is just taking in the sunsets, the water, and the weather. We could not ask for better weather right now.
That's what I said, it's absolutely perfect.
It's not that hot, it's maybe like 75.
Yes.
Sunny, a little light breeze.
A light, cool breeze.
Yes. Oh, so if you're just watching this, it's the end of May right now, and I feel like so far we've had the most beautiful weather. My parents don't know Jared went and got him pina coladas. This is so cute.
Welcome aboard the ship.
Are you kidding?
You know, you just said about how you want some pina coladas. So here you go.
Wow.
This is my best line.
Better not tell him now that he brought you this.
Britt says, what are you thinking? And I said, I died. I feel like I died and went to heaven. But then I saw Jared and I knew it was impossible.
Oh, that was sweet of you, babe.
You know, my father-in-law, he was adamant about laying here, and the second he did, I was thinking, man, smart man. Here he is cuddling up with his bride. Man, can I get my bride to do that? No, not a chance. Smart man right here.
Hey, there's no way a pina colada is going to get you in heaven.
Let the cruise begin!
Woo!
We got our pina coladas. I would say my parents are settling in very nicely to cruise life.
Make sure you guys are following us over on Instagram. Brittany's getting some really cool stories.
We are off to our first dinner of the cruise. We ate at the Windjammer buffet earlier for lunch, but we have a My Time late dining reservation.
Yeah, 8:30 p.m. It's perfect.
We love that because that way we get to stay out on excursions. We're not missing it by having the 5:30 reservation, so that's a little tip for you. But I'm so excited to see my parents' reaction. All right, we just got to our table, 464.
Yeah.
But we have all the fancy, all the spoons and forks and everything.
It's all right, Jared. I'll explain to you which utensils to use when.
Yeah, just whatever I see first.
So we were just explaining the menu to my parents, and also I should just mention our waiters are amazing.
Oh yeah, awesome.
They asked about allergies, and many of you guys know Jared has some particular foods he needs to stay
got some new
away
allergies.
from.
They went ahead to make sure that they talked to the head chef and that anything I eat,
It'll be good to go. So they asked, like, are there any foods that you like to eat that you usually eat? And they're gonna try and cater to all of that.
Yeah,
like
awesome.
gluten, dairy, soy, all of that. So if you do have allergies, just know they can work around that, and so that's awesome.
It's super awesome.
So tonight they have like the chef recommendations here. You can choose starters, main courses. It's all included in the price of the cruise, which is awesome. And then they do have premium selection, and these are an additional cost. And then you can choose as many desserts as your heart desires.
Yeah.
So kind of fun, huh?
Kind of.
My mom's gonna go ham on the desserts, I think. We saw key lime pie, and we are gonna get a few of those.
Yeah, we are.
But the dining room, it's so pretty, as you can tell.
And did they see the table?
I know the table, so fancy. And one fun fact, our waiter is from the Philippines, and Jared speaks
Mabuhay Filipino.
Jared speaks Tagalog, and so they get to speak Tagalog together, so that was really fun.
Awesome.
All right, to start for our first meal, appetizers, we got the crab cake. So it's crab cake with little veggies. They're bringing Jared a nice salad and switched out the dressing with some balsamic. So bon appetit. Doesn't this look so good? Like, look at even the plating.
Look how fancy it is.
So fancy. Appetizers were
Delicious.
so good. Now we are moving on to the main menu. I got like a curry dish with rice, and everyone else got the prime rib, the slow roasted.
Yeah, slow roasted.
Slow roasted. Ooh, and
Papadam.
Ooh, thank you. How would you rate dinner, you two? A++. Dad?
Muy bien.
Muy bien, baby.
It was so good. And now for dessert, I got myself a chocolate ice cream.
But vegan
Yeah,
chocolate
yeah.
ice cream, which is awesome.
That's awesome.
I got the strawberry cheesecake. We got the key lime pie, that looks really good, and a Boston cream pie. Bon appetit.
Looks like a street, not a boat.
Oh, my word.